Before you hit that order now button on printblur.com, you might want to hear this because things aren't as straightforward as they seem. Printblur positions itself as a convenient platform for custom prints and products. But when you look a little deeper, the experience lands somewhere in the middle rather than being clearly good or bad. Starting with the positives, the website itself feels simple and easy to navigate, and the product variety is decent enough to catch attention. However, when it comes to actual performance, things get a bit inconsistent. Shipping times appear to vary more than expected, with some customers getting their orders on time while others report noticeable delays. Product quality also doesn't seem fully reliable. Some items turn out exactly as expected, while others fall short in terms of print clarity or material finish. Customer service is another mixed area. Responses do come, but not always quickly, which can be frustrating if you're dealing with an issue or delay. On the trust side, there's no strong red flag that screams scam, but at the same time, it doesn't build enough confidence to be called fully reliable either. It feels like one of those platforms where your experience can heavily depend on luck rather than consistency. So overall, printblur.com sits in that gray zone. It's not completely unsafe, but it's also not something you can fully depend on without a bit of caution. If you're planning to try it, it's smarter to start small rather than placing a big order right away.